Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use ClickUp Task Statuses, your complete guide for 2025. This tool is all about keeping you organized and on track, so let's get started. First up, we'll need to navigate to our tasks. Here, you're going to see a list of all your tasks and their current statuses. Now, why is this important? Well, task statuses are the heartbeat of your project management. They give you a real-time snapshot of where things stand, helping you better manage your time and resources. Next, to change a task's status, simply click on the Status button next to the task's name. A drop-down menu will appear, and you can select the status that fits best. The reason we do this is to keep everyone on the same page about the progress of each task. Whether a task is in progress, completed, or still in the backlog, updating the status ensures that everyone knows what's happening. Now that we've done that, let's explore creating custom statuses. Click on the Statuses tab in your project settings. Here's where you can add, edit, or delete statuses to better suit your workflow. This helps us because sometimes the default statuses might not reflect our unique process. For instance, you might need a review status for tasks that need approval before they're completed. Customizing your statuses gives you greater control and clarity over your project's flow. Moving on, let's talk about automations. ClickUp allows you to automate status changes based on certain triggers. For instance, when a task is moved to a certain list, its status could automatically change to in progress. The reason we do this is to save time and reduce manual updates. It's like having a virtual assistant managing your tasks. Before we wrap up, let me explain why this matters. Using task statuses effectively in ClickUp transforms your efficiency and productivity. It eliminates confusion, reduces delays, and keeps your project running smoothly. So, whether you're a solo user or part of a large team, understanding and leveraging task statuses is a game changer. And that's it, folks. You're now equipped to use ClickUp task statuses like a pro. Stay organized, stay efficient, and remember, a well-managed task is halfway done. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.